everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Bonnie and this is Happy Space Creates. I have a passion for all things sewing and crafty, so join me if you want to see sew-alongs, sew and tells, craft videos, my sewing victories and of course my crafting downfalls, because let's face it, there's probably going to be many. I'm also lucky enough to have a Cricut digital cutting machine. Now I see people commenting all the time about the fact that they have one at home and they just don't know how to use it. So I'm going to be giving you step-by-step videos to encourage you to get it out of the box and into your craft room. I will be filming simple step-by-step crafting videos for you to follow along at home, for you to make things for your happy space from my happy space. So if you want to see more of this face, click the subscribe button and give this video a quick like, and I will see more of you really soon. Bye! So if you want to see this face more, welcome to my channel.